Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Verify you have an Apple mouse model with a removable battery compartment. This method only works for those. Power the mouse off and turn off Bluetooth on your Mac to avoid accidental pairing. Place the mouse upside down on a soft cloth. Locate the small battery hatch or sliding cover. Once located, press the release tab or remove one screw, slide the cover off. Make sure to note battery orientation so you can install the new cell correctly. Now you remove the depleted battery and inspect the compartment. Clean any dirt or corrosion with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol, allowing it to dry. You then insert the fresh AA battery exactly as the original was oriented. Polarity matters for proper function. Press the battery down so it sits snugly and won't rattle. Once seated, realign the hatch and slide or snap it closed. If a screw was removed, reinstall it without over-tightening. Make sure the cover sits. Power the mouse back on and re-enable Bluetooth on your Mac. You should see the device reconnect within seconds. If nothing happens, power off and reseat the battery, then try a known good AA or a freshly charged Ni-MH cell. Weak cells can show voltage but still fail under load. If it still won't pair, clean the battery contacts again and confirm the cover is fully closed. As a final step, restart Bluetooth on your Mac. That often clears pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.